In temperature sensor manufacturing, welding quality is everything. A single T-weld can lead to unstable resistance values, sensor failures, and increased rejection rates. These issues don't just impact production efficiency, they cost your business time and money. That's why the world's largest temperature sensor manufacturers trust TATE. Our precision-resistant spot welding machine is specifically designed for Pt100 Ntc Rtd Pt200 and Pt1000 sensors, delivering consistent high-quality welds every time. Why is TATE the #1 choice? Perfect welding precision. Say goodbye to weak joints, overheating, and wire breakage. One machine for all sensors. No need for multiple systems. TATE handles all temperature sensor welding needs. Optimized for high production efficiency. Reduce scrap rates, cut down rework, and increase yield. The industry standard, trusted by top sensor manufacturers worldwide for its reliability and superior performance. Stop struggling with poor welding quality. Inconsistent welds? TATE ensures uniform, repeatable results. Material waste affecting costs? Our precise energy control reduces scrap and boosts efficiency. Need a scalable solution? TATE optimizes your workflow for high-volume production. Act now. Contact us today. The best in the industry already trust TATE. Isn't it time you did too? Tell WhatsApp. +86 130 6265 7065. Email info@oktate.com.